Hello, good morning, or good afternoon, depending on which part of the world you are right now. Okay, so I bring you a very wonderful value this afternoon. I'm your favorite value delivery strategist. So, if you're going to listen to this now or if you listen to it later, I need to pay very apt attention to what I'm going to say. My name is Victoria Waka and I am the founder of Valucop, your favorite value delivery strategist. I teach you how to package what you know, how to deliver what you know, and how to monetize what you know from the comfort of your smartphone. Yes, it has become that easy to make money legitimately. So today I'm bringing to you a way for you to be able to make lots of money in the coming year. Yeah, this year have run out and we had a lot of drama this year. A lot of things were not so cool. But in this same year, many people made a lot of money because they understood the times and the seasons and they were able to take advantage of it. So I'm here to show you that definitely there's a way for you to take advantage of the numerous and myriads of opportunities online. You can wake up every day from the comfort of your bed and you will deliver value from the comfort of your bed and you will make up to 120,000 naira monthly. Imagine if you have 3 different jobs that can easily pay you $100 each. And you will still deliver these jobs within 6 hours and have the rest of the day to yourself to do whatever you like. Some of these jobs are so easy for you to do, and you can easily earn $300. I'm not talking about you earning in naira, because right now earning in naira is as good as earning nothing. The best way to live and to make money in 2021 is to find a way for you to earn in dollars, and that is through crypto jobs. Every day, cryptocurrency and the digital currency world and blockchain is evolving and keeps evolving. And this means more job opportunities for people out there. So on this note, you need to avail yourself to those opportunities. You don't have to miss them. I'm telling you right now, if I tell you the number of jobs, crypto jobs that I have, you'll be marveled. But I do all these things from the comfort of my house, from the comfort of my smartphone. I barely even use my laptop, unless when I want to dispatch activities to my business, because I have a brand, Valucop Global, where I train people and I sell my digital products. Mind you, my book on how to make money with what you know will be coming out on my birthday, which is on the 9th December. Do not miss it. Do not miss it, because that book will change your life, will change your mindset, will change everything for you, and you will start earning money comfortably. Seriously, the way I am right now, I don't think I can ever do a 9-to-5 job. I won't do that when I can easily make more from the comfort of my room, create a very nice workstation in my house, and still be earning more than someone who wakes up in the morning, joins the traffic, and comes back in the evening tired and earn peanuts. Do not join that queue of persons. So what am I saying? I have a class for you. From 10th December to 16th December. Do not miss it. The class, normally I would have charged you 15,000 naira for the class, but I'm charging you 5,000 naira to learn how to get these crypto jobs, how to make money what you know, and how to make money in crypto. I'm telling you, I've never had to work for an individual since I left school in 2016. I've been earning my money comfortably from my smartphone. So come and learn how I do this. The class is just 5,000 naira. See, it's small compared to the value you will get. I always go for value first. It's value first always. So do not miss this. 2021 is barely days away. Today is early for you to prepare and to get ready to take advantage of the myriads of opportunities online. So, see you. Make sure you send me a DM on WhatsApp +234 705 778 5083, or you send me an email to admin@victoriaobaka.com.ng. or you leave a comment below this Facebook Live audio. I'm always here to give you value first. Do not miss these opportunities. Thank you.